Mwanchumuligeri wano amatuko na makeliko nyarago sangamo naye masemo wetira serudisho ya Ndizi TV ekero kuarigania mirobeli bene ekero traumera nayo gochakirikio chiritukira Jumatano na bwego litukoliriya ria Ramisi na gukwani ndonsi ya sobereta se marogoba ya bono litukeligere jumenga kene gukwarigani bono asemesa yamangana maya litukelige kero yaragire Ensa Eyemo ya bono marogoba istari kemerongebere neyemo omutyonyoka no mwaka bochiri bubere na merongebere na itatu na mange abereka okorekana ayuaseri bwango chukumanya nago sansamuranira asenchira yobo ikiranu gendera gotobwati asensemeli mtandao enseme ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bwigensemeli ya YouTube na boko chana buna Ndizi TV News ritanganike gima tikatonyora mangana ayuasenchira yoko ya chuta.
Osie pati ito ya Gusii muchakera matukago chabono muchakatore grassroots recruitment ya members eger trosi saiga yaito
kiama kya UPN ogya korobo choria somo musibwe wodi yali goma nyambega gisesa choruko munyakiro bwe kyame kyo kya UPA.
Our positivity rate currently is at 10%. It's slightly higher, but we are working on it as a county to bring it down. And the cases are mainly in Manga, Nyamira North and Nyamira South.
Oborwere bweso sera gose malaria niko bwakinreme ye county ya Nyamira sekerango gikumi.
Ekerekuika employment ya doctors. Walia receiving most counties, they are able to employ doctors. What they are doing, people employ clinic officers by employing nurses.
Yikabanyagetari bayisana chi county okuna kukubuli kurase kyombe kya Gusii Governance Watch. Asayamo na yanda mange saranso ikawono mwancho muligeri ya seribu wanyali kogo sansamuranira na kukumanya senchira yobo yekirano olitoko bwatira nera goitira somuna wimanyiriliga kurukwa Joshua Auta eritina nenchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chake mesa ya mangana Eyemo ya bono marogoba kumurekera mangana rengete siasa ekiama kia UPA ni gasiri tukulia rwomera na imeyo mocho Nairobi eriko nyarago chora barai au bono bago chikora ekiame kia semia ketane rebosio ekiame ki inse yoborai bwaye oyoliko yorumu governor we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ngati walibaikira na asili enseme Nairobi eriko nyarago chora abarai ya senseme yomubunge bwe gose omwe MC bwe wodi yeri goma ngati ya libachorwa asokora ikiama kia UPA buna tokonya roboti ruo no mulikito Everin Osero.
Ababwatani be kiama kya United Progressive Alliance UPA bakora wano muraiwe kiama kyo yibaigoro mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ningo litkori alero bachora baraya baya abo barachikora emeroberio ye kiama kyo. Korengana na Nyaribo niga kambia mono asobo choriobo anena asobo toereruo bwa baboko enekiwa asa kwanira igoro yebirogo ebyo abarayi baba bago chorwa
ande twatwara bachori twanyora abarayi abaya twanyora secretary nya deputy party leader twanyamba kwanake twanyora deputy secretary general na abarayi bandere ron twachora igora kike twacha twakorire togwakirambia mono abantu batwara utulivu.
Dr. Charles Onchoke oyoro mochumbo bonchari nigagokera ogochoroko asakambia monogo chiasaba bwatani bonsi asoko mwegena.
Nanyara kobo mokonyi bwe party leader kotebia delegate mbia mona soko twara kwegena sende kongoli bayori koba deputy leader tigatubwaterane toimokiki ombige itogorokia UPA is the future party.
Jacob Bagaka oyoro mokonyi bwo monogeria se county assembly ya Kisii nero chorwa buna omorikyo monene asaboria ogosira we kyamekyo na koeneke bunamba chigo chaka kori kyababwatani
tubwaterane torosie pati ito ya Gusii muchakera matukago chabono muchakatore grassroots recruitment ya members eger torosie saiga yaito
asekirogo kyobonyakerogo nigo omwe bwe wodi ya Rigoma nyambega gisesa abagago chorwa oyo abagagwa kangambia mono ase obochoriobo na otana nigo barachikokore miremo bune bya mabinde asabori abange gosoa ase ekyamekyo.
I love to tell Kenyans that this party is a national party with a national outfit. We'll work and we'll want to compete with other national parties like UDA, like ODM and like Jubilee. and we are telling all Kenyans to come and join this party because this party is very progressive and it will take us far.
Eric Mosianyinero chorwa buna omugachi bwe kiamekyo awasega tiabaraibande korwase kiamekyo boigo bago kerobo chori na goteba buna ekiamekyo nigo keratingiwe asabanto babori wawe sokia na gotenena asebirogo au asobo chori bo mwaka wechiribere na meronkebere na isano na ibere nigo boigo bateba obochori obunigo bwakorekana asobwasyoku na igo bonderia bonde tibwarenko
Kenya ngima kurukerege saku nkyaba represented asepati ya UPA.
Lero nari twaigeka orogena rwito rwa UPA rwatwarire efesi ya Kenya. Naende gona tebia bangire ba minta asobonge abasae baito na kero yomo togende masindani epati yeito kam 2027 gotobegete nyasaye motu iyera aba mangi tarachesti party ase Kenya yeito
igongo sababari bande una ODM bachoinie party yeito ababande uta bachoini UPA party ere moyo yomo Kenya omugima
kyame gyaroka nigo gutwara chinguruchi nene na ndegeta bwati pasiere tiende yonse
ko reporter getaseni kya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbiyamono muri kito Evarino sera sorobochurwa senchire yoboyekirano gotigana yubono moncho muri gereto murekera yande ekyombe kia Gusii Governance Watch ekrono moswatire chotundo nikobono kia buri bunge amone serikali kone kibuna ngolika kire abanyagetari ase enchire bwenrete akorengana Richo Ruto nigatebere buna chinga kichinyinge abanyagetari niko bagotigwa maega ekerekiria bateresa boko clinical officers na nurses na bakunyara kwegwemere mu serikali chichi county Kolengane kiombe kiniko batebire bunani gachi serikali chichi county chikorokana kobwa na gotwaro bobo kulika abanyagetari kubwatikana nokuboro kwenengo gose chibesa ekibona barabe wakana abanyagetari yabo boniga bure serikali ngima ya Kenya kwanza kone kibuna kinyagetari aho asichi county ngoyigo bari meremeri kunyara gwikiraniye bokore butakira asinyagetari kinene che serikali.
That is long overdue. So what I'm asking the Longobodia Parliament Gabaligiri Mangana Ibaligiri health in the solution once and for all. And it was the problem in it. Employment ya doctors. Tualia is sitting in most counties, Kerabaku Gabaligo employ doctors. What they are doing, Baku employ clinical officers by employing the nurses. If you are working serving a doctors, it will be expensive. Kubahakana about when I'm the Sahara Bakubahakana, one of Batika, Baku employee. So for that reason, will solve the problem with chance. So we do an unhealthy commission. That is the one that can help us. So Parliament, we are looking unto you to ensure that Mungakonyire Amangana aya Yabanyagitari, Togo Nagotwara problems. The county government is supposed to shulika Namangano Peana equipment, no ensure Amarule Amariogo into various hospitals. Sakura na Kisii County, Ekerega Governor to Simba. And you want to take a logo to governor, Muna had certificate. The first thing he was going to do, no ensure an access, about Australia to Granny gas. Up to today, Nasses Yumana Gusii, and we want to understand as many county are kissing and because you see and to hope, and then you are not doing what they want is like killing them. It's like killing their spirit and killing their families. So we are asking a governor to a statement on the status. Yana says, Varia Koirania, Mukia Polide, what has it done? So Vairani, Gostara Vairania, and whether they are on pay.
Na gotigana ne nkwana yaye Richo Tundo yoromo raina boigo omurikiweke mugerikia Gusii Governance Watch ni gotoko murekera aliagande tokolekana ase chinse mo chindego ikase county ya Nyamira ekiombe kirigete tamangana yobo chenwe ensengma WHO na boigo na bwatani bande bobo chenwa se county ya Nyamira ni go baichaniro commenta kuborweire bweso sera gose malaria obokoleto ne chinkoromba gose chiumbu ase nseme kerenge kibono ngo giakinre weke kerango gya 10 asemia gekolengani wane chinga kichia magega awazensemo yobo chenwe gotebuna negendrete ko irobuli akone kingo nyalere kwera ninse ekerengo kyoburere buno muri kito kurase county ya Nyamira jabuma ange agotomanya
Kubwatekana ne kiombe getenenerete obochenu ensengima World Health Organization oborwire bwa malaria negatia maroire aireire abantu abange gosiria amagimabo ase county Nyamira eregachechi county oboroiro bugendrete kogosia amagima y'abantu abange bunatoba tokwererwa na Wilson Momanyi oyoromo bisa ase wizara y'obochenu e county ya Nyamira.
Our positivity rate currently is at 10%. It's slightly higher, but we are working on it as a county to bring it down. And the cases are mainly in Manga, Nyamira North and Nyamira South.
Kubwatekana na Hilary Ingeso omobisa kurwa sekiumbe ya Catholic Medical Mission Board na ateba ningo bagendrate kubwaterana ne county Nyamira gwetera abakoli emeremo bokwerwa community health volunteers asokurwania oboroirobo.
So part of what we do is we build people who are called community health volunteers. So community health volunteers are individuals that are in the community and trained to provide health services. Community test where they are able to test the community, and for those that are positive or are confirmed to have malaria, then they are able to treat them. So they have medication that they can give them, treat them, and they are able to now monitor the treatment, how they are progressing, and just follow.
Abamenyi be county Nyamira basemigo gotumeka chinet na gosemigwa erinde kurwania oboroire bwa malaria.
We just talked about bed misuse. So one of the significant interventions to look at malaria is using meds. But you find that not everyone wants to be able to use that because of various reasons. Seeking behaviors information, knowing that if you have malaria, what do you need to do? You need to access medication, I need to go get tested. People just sit and say, especially for men, say, let me monitor, maybe by tomorrow it will be okay.
Huna enchira Eyemo yokurwania oboroire wa malaria nigo e county Nyamira erachi kwaliganira rituko rinene ryokurwania oboroire wa malaria World Malaria Day chitariki emerongo 25 ewiki egocha.
The theme for this year's Malaria Day will be time to deliver zero malaria, which in Kiswahili is tekeleza wajibu wako tuimalize malaria.
Omojega oyunigora koreke asegetigie kerenyo asomogeni bwesiko arachiko bomwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu na goikirono no mwaziri bobochenu Susan Nakumincha nabaraibande.
And we thank the national government for giving us this opportunity to host this occasion. It's an international, it's a global function which is being celebrated globally. And as Nyamira County, we are very, very pleased to have been given this opportunity to hold this function here.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Bijamuno mulikito Job Maangi kurwase county ya Nyamira sorobochi rwase nchire yobo ikirano gotigana nere bano Job Maangi igotoko murekera litukuli ya lengereni ya Idi Mbaraka bwasedini yege Islamu bari gucengera litukeli aso bwamo chinsemo chinde meyegenja korekana gwase county ya Kisii etatigana maigomo yego yobo gucengera litukeli ali Abayisilamu gose Idi Mbaraka nigolia korekana asegeti kia Gusii stadium mulikito Mirded Mumanyi na ikirane nseme yino gotwaliganira roboti Rokobwatia.
Chingaki abegenwa bedini y'Abayisilamu bagochengera litukulia Eid Mubarak maiga yo kwengata asegeka kya matuko 30 abegenwa begedini bege Islamu kurwa account ya Kisii nigo basangana bande ensengima asomo yego yobwa masaba okolekana asegeti kya chigosoli kya Gusii stadium emambia lero. Kolengana na Sheikh Mohamed Omar uyole omo imam kurwa ase omosikiti obosongo naboli abaigeno bonsi imense ya Kenya kogenda kobucha amasabo bunenchara ya moyo korenta omorembe imense ya Kenya.
Kwa hakika kwanza leo ni siku ya furaha sana kwetu sisi. Tumetoka katika ibada kubwa ya kufunga na leo tulikamilisha jana kuweza kufungua. Leo ni siku yetu ya kufungua. Hii ni furaha kubwa kwetu sisi. Na hii ni Mwenyezi Mungu mwenyewe ndio ambaye tunaendelea hili na sisi pia tunashukuru sana. Jambo muhimu ambalo kwamba mimi ningeweza kuwahusia wazalendo wenzangu, wananchi wa Kenya, tuwe uvumilivu, tuwe wasubirivu, tukubali yale mazito ambayo kwamba yanayotukabili, kwa sababu kila jambo limepangwa na Mungu. Mwenyezi Mungu mwenyewe ndiye anayepanga mambo. Na Mwenyezi Mungu anapopanga mambo anapanga kwa hikma yake.
nonye obogima bogendete gokonga kegima bono nigo omoimamu aborie abantu bonsi koba begenwa na kubucha amasabo go sense ya Kenya nechikuira na boronge ensemo ya uchumi.
Kwa hivyo nasaha yangu kubwa kwa Wakenya katika mfumo huu ambao kwamba sasa uko mzito wa mripuko wa maisha yamekuwa magumu, yani kila mmoja analia, tajiri analia, maskini analia, fukara analia kabisa, bali mimi naona hata matajiri ndio wanalia hata kushinda maskini. Katika hali hii ambayo kwamba ipo, tuweni wavumilivu, turudini nyuma kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, tumuombeeni Mwenyezi Mungu atuondoshee hii shida. Hakuna ambalo haliwezekani kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Kitu muhimu ni maombi.
Omar Boygon nigo ababoria abaraibonsi batige kubwatuka chingwana chimbe echo chigo segeta chinsegi imensi ya Kenya ase Boygo ateba embwa yogokora okurobekana nigo egoturubania uchumi imensi ya Kenya na lika lyaye amagenderero.
Wapunguze pia, manake kuna ile maneno ambayo kwamba ni maneno mazito. Hawa viongozi lazima kila mmoja hawezi kumvumilia mwenzake. Ukipunguza kasi ya maneno mazito, na mwingine pia naye atapunguza kasi ya maneno mazito. Lakini ikiwa kila kiongozi atakuwa ni mwenye kutoa maneno mazito mabaya, sijui mnatarajia kuielekeza hii nchi ambao sisi tunawaangalia nyinyi, mnatuelekeza na sisi tuelekee mwelekeo gani? Kwa hivyo nasaha yangu kwa viongozi wetu wa nchi hii wote kwa jumla, popote pale ambapo kwamba walipo katika majukwaa yoyote, watumie ile hekima ambayo Mwenyezi Mungu amewapea, aliyovalisha katika akili zao. Masala ya maandamano ni masala mazito, ni masala ambayo kwamba ni changamoto katika hii nchi na kila mmoja anaona. Kwa hivyo jambo muhimu, hebu waelewane, wakae chini, wapate suluhu. Vile nilivyosema, wasitumie cheche za maneno mazito, waitumie ile hekima.
Kuripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono omurikito Mildred Momanya sorobochirwa senchera yoboye kiranwa naseri tukeriga liya ile Mubarak gotigana yono monchu murigereri chinsemo chindebo igoli tukeriga ndiyaboligo chengerwe meye county ya Lamu moyego yonigo kolekana abwase agidini abaisilamu bari berengere byabo asoko bwatana nago chengerali tukeria sabarobuni igoli tukoriyengencho aswatene nchire moyokana kubwatana nago sangana bamu abase county igati yabare kurwa sedini yegesi gukwana kurose county ya Lamu niko batse abuna baba kubwatana nabo ko ya serikali okoboko na koboria okubwatana kwa magenderote gwikiranigwe asense ya Kenya.
Leo ndio siku umeonekana mwezi, tunafuata mwezi unapoonekana, tufuate Saudia wala tufuate Shifqat. Maadamu haki imeonekana, tunafuata haki.
Katika Uislamu tuna Eid mbili, Eidul Adha na Eidul Fitr. Eidul Fitri tunasherehekea kumaliza kwa mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani kwanza, pili ni mwanzo wa Uislamu. Maana Qur'ani iliteremshwa katika mwezi wa Ramadhani. Beginning, kuanza kwa Uislamu ulianza katika Ramadhani. Sisi uswali kwa kuonekana mwezi, lakini tofauti iliyoko ni kwamba sisi tulioswali hapa, imani yetu ni kwamba mwezi ni mmoja ulimwenguni. Ukionekana pale popote umeonekana. Hakuna lazima kila watu waangalie kwao. Na hii si nadharia mpya, ni nadharia ya zamani zaidi ya miaka 1400 iliyopita.
Katika miongoni mwa mwenendo ule ambao kwamba Ramadhani yani ule hali ya Ramadhani imefanya paka yani wamekochiwa na Ramadhani. Mtengenezwa vizuri katika hali pengine ilikuwa kusoma Qur'ani, endelea na kusoma Qur'ani. Akivai wakati pale endelea hali kama hiyo, basi hiyo ndio nasa yangu, lakini wasije wakabadilika.
Kwa kuwa leo Eid ni siku ya furaha, leo ni siku ya bashasha, ni siku ya kujiburudisha nafsi baada ya kuweza kujizuia kwa mwezi mzima.
Na gotigana ibono tumurekera lyagendete okolekana ase chinse mochinde omokonyu bomurebe nserigathi Gachagua nigaomera naba MCA county ya Nyeri tukolia lero na kurwa sorongoro Mount Kenya. Gachagua kwana kurenseme unigarro kana kobolia aba MCA kurwa se chiwodi aane kurwa se county ya Kiambu county ya Murang'a Nyandarua Nyeri na boigo ne county area ya Kirinyaga kone kibuna nkobeka wale merobeli sene hasoko nyara gotugutera ramali amaryogo yogotindia nigatebera bone binyogo byogotindia si county echi nigebegendera tikorene maiga amagendero asebona gande banyare kubwata naso bwamo nakone kibuna ngo tugutera barare na kurwanika gima amangana arengete amaryogo yogotindia.
And all of us have is the same concern these leaders have. And we are really discussing with them on how we can make uniform laws across the 5 counties to come up with very stringent rules and regulations to regulate the sale of alcohol, the issues of drugs, and indeed to come up with very stringent penalties to act as a deterrent to this sector. We are concerned as the leaders from this region and for the whole country, really, that if we don't intervene, we can lose an entire generation. The situation in central Kenya and the rest of the country is worrisome. And we want to explain that why we have started here is because from the statistics from NACADA, this area is worse hit at 14%. Once we succeed here, and we must succeed, we'll use the interventions here as a model for the rest of the country.
Asobutuki wakorete aso mwaka we chiri 2015 iko mwaka we chiri 2020 no yomo imeye county ya Siaya ni gobono abasaye bali gati emyaka 14 myaka 19 baroka gotwara omubara omonene webinyinyi byenyamura se gati emyaka eyo igabasaye chiri 2055 batogete nebinyi byenyamureo ase kolendo kiraboni goro rokoro kiuno mubaro inigo keire kurwaso mubaro yogo ika chimisato emeronge 5 nebere no yomo obono bambukirwe binyibinyamoreo ase county ya Siaya kolengane nsemo yobo cyane ko bagote abuno mubaro inigo keire kigimakubwatikana no wetanga kwa basaye mayaga yoko kwa basemu boyise na sate biro bunambagendera kurwani monokone kiuna omubaro bwebinyibinyamoreo anasaba sayo baligati emyaka 10 no emyaka 19 ngwira no lense ase county ya Siaya.
Discrimination, especially HIV-related stigma and discrimination. And we recognize those amongst us who are able to come out, speak out and influence others to also not to hide and suffer in stigma and discrimination. May I also, in a special way, recognize the survivors of gender-based violence. Wale ambao wanazidi kudulumika lakini wamejitoa in our communities na wamesema they'll not keep quiet. They'll stand up and speak out the ills in our society so that they can influence and touch the lives of others who are going through similar experiences.
With all that effort, the county still contributes 7% to the national estimate of adolescent new HIV infections, translating to 7 new HIV infections every week.
Na ikiama gyajubiri inse yomora yobo jirema ya kioni nigo wana barurenkwana yabana yemiro birobegete asobo korrebwense korengana jirema ya kioni nigate berebune kiama gyajubiri nigo getine nekigima nabo igomba chikubwatana asoko nyarugwikerania obokorrebwa bogochiase ababwatania bange na kubori abantu bonsi kori bageserekali wikerania meroberi yabo maiga yoko iguburaye anasumwa ko yegaste ntunde ntangani.
To tell you that because we want to see fairness in the party, we organized for an NDC and we advertised it in the papers. The NDC was to take place on the 24th and 25th of March. They went to court to block our holding of the NDC. Kama kweli wako na ukweli, ya nini wanaogopa umati wa watu? Siwaje mbele ya watu tufanye uchaguzi tusafishe nini chama. The letter that came from the lawyer is here, dated 6th March 2013. That's the date we received it. It was written on the 3rd of March 2023, and they went ahead and we were told that we cannot hold the NDC because they objected to it. So kama unakataa pahali watu ambao we want to subject ourselves to the NDC so that they can say they have confidence or no confidence, because we are only trying to do what is right. And finally, this team led by this guy about to be sent to Yara. Look at the irony of this. Kanini is enjoying nomination from Jubilee Party. It is on the nomination, a letter I wrote to National Assembly that he was given an opportunity to represent us at Yara. He is already a beneficiary of the sweat of those people who fought for the party. He is now gone to the other side to kill what is left for these people. Sabina, who could not even present herself even for an MCA seat in Muranga, we gave her that nomination.
Nago tigana na mangana lengete siyasa goikira sa mangana lengete obocheni oburere bweli sabeso ni gobono bwane kiwase county ya se ya sentunde ntangane eyamaega yoyo mokonyara koro ke imanyerilyo anene igoro yoburere buyoganda tokora no mabwaje ase nyagetali ya mwase county ya siaya nigo chinga kiechibone nsemo yobocheni kurase county ya siaya batebiruna magarete kobeke mirubeli sene kunyara kwane kibuna nkonyara bale gutugutana gukora amangana lengete yo kwambukuro kwe ebinyinyi ebyo byoburere bweli besa wasabagania abantu kwa maisona wetanga korwa soburairo bwo.
The patient was received in our facility 3 days ago and of course had all the symptoms of cholera, and the most important is that the patient has been managed, controlled. We have all the necessary commodities on the ground, and that this case is alive and there is no cause for alarm.
Yakira yogen retibono abwatani be sekta ye bwagachi bw'ikinyomba bono ni gobachira somo na kuruko bodi ya nekonyara gutumeka chinjera chekerero aso konyara kwebwate na ase konyara gwekerania boigoma gendro kolengana na abwatani abuni gobatebere buna asinse ye kiombe kiabo mbachi gutumeka chinjera chiabe ne chekerero aso kurobo korribwabo kochiase abakenya.
As we stand here, we represent the aspiration of many hardworking Kenyans in this journey of land and home ownership. It is a journey that in the past has been marred by challenges, but we are glad to say that the solution is at hand. The real estate sector is a major contributor to our country GDP, offering millions of jobs directly and indirectly, and contributing to over 40% of diaspora remittances.
And right now it's contributing a tune of 250 billion Kenya shillings in our GDP. That's a great substantial amount not to ignore. We saw the increase of CGT, that is capital gain tax, from 5% to 15%. Why can't we get it at least at 7%? That's our proposal. We were not even consulted, and that's why we are here, so that we can be a force that can be consulted even when such laws or policies are being made or are being passed either by the executive or by the legislative arm of the government.
Ensa ya Kenya ni gande tukobeka chinkwana asentunde ya kabere nense United States of America US erikonyara kwane kibuna ngokini baramangana lengete obonjure chinkwana ichi chageto mwaka bwechiri bubere na meronge bere 2020 ni kono chiasora sentunde ya kabere bono abwasense ya Kenya erigeti kokini obonjure bwaye na kubwatira na kwemena gotinyo bwamatobuya gati yense ya Kenya abo igonense ya United States.
Of the 13 areas, we are making very, very good progress, and we can say that all is well. What is the importance of this agreement that we are negotiating with the US? It is very important that we make steps that are going to signal to US investors about the Kenyan investment climate. And as you saw earlier this month, during the AmCham, or late last month, when we had the AmCham conference.
Ochumulike bono de kane meronge to chia butokire gabu non ko gendro mutumo komo kenyora machi nkuranda sentunde ya kabere to gande gusanga amuna ikolenda sabonda to kwambo ke kensemende ye studio B to mena captain number 001 Ndemo Stevena atumanya mange anamangana alengete chigo sorito sko gendra gusanga amuna into nkuranda sentunde ya kabere gendra gotengera Ndizi TV.
kwanda buno gante twara chinga kichingia aye amone amate yao kurendeni maitetari mochengo mo nasamngania chikosoria se abanchi gosaba tioteribeti ya Manchester United kurena bobo kimabole tigabona kwarigani vene asamngana Amayia ye chikosori buna botambe chireterende mo Steven captain 001 tocha kamangana Amayia ye chikosori korwa segeti kia Gusii Stadium abwase gosori etaire teigoro kati timu ya Shabana FC amone timu ya Mombasa Elite asikino kia National Super League kugaten retense meria half time lit kuregoro okobe mbure nyingi ya tueta segeti kia Gusii Stadium nego ya lit kuria lero abwase timu ya Shabana FC yanyara kwenye bwe timu ya Mombasa Elite chigori sato ase egore ya mochigori chingo chabe kuna bagosori Isaac Otieno Otile Vincent Nyabuto Terminator amona Peter Ogechi kwena kibone timu ya Shabana FC goiro libagari pointi sano na ivere gati yabo ne timu namba ivere timu ya Muranga Sile yukurende kuikira bono tiragosori gosori ivere. Asa gosori ya National Super League ya tukurit kulechu matano gati ya timu ya Gusii FC amone timu ya SS Asada segeti kerikia Awendo Green Stadium nigo mogosori hamso abikirete timu ya Gusii FC chigori ibere kunyara konye timu ya GFC kunyara kubwa chigori sato asevosa asa gosori ba gosori amone timu ya SS Asado konye timu ya Gusii FC wasoa mpaka na mbaisa tasi kiraboni ya watu chipointi meronge 3 na 4 chipointi 3 na 3 mega yabara ibe ligi ya National Super League Shabana FC. Tukatea namana rengete engoto nda se chimbero abwase county ya Kisii ese chikosori chirichia bana bobo roso gose primary schools ekerengo kerikia Nyanza region tena letako bachikoera se county ya Kisii getikia Gusii Stadium abwase county ya Kisii tena letako bwa chimbero chia 4x400 meters mixed relay yore gosori gatia bamura amona baiseke andakese yakortira Eyemo bosio bwe county ya Homa Bay bona andakendo ntiri bagaria bene dio gusangana babuibe chimbere cyo abana bwa bake na mbabu ataya yogoteba.
Samarita ngoro ku Steven Thomas kana watu waminyokire toiguru bya twensi ekegera ntwaka tengo tobaba lakini twababuje twagokire asa yonzi mbuya mono nabo atirire etwarengerire 4x4 nabo atigete kya gatatu nabona akereta namba ibere oyu twenana neruchire gotokwa
asa balita kurukwa gitiera ngere musoro do chama myoko mbijari no to minyokire iganje na jaki geteke nakereta namba Haro diro mogoko sana ketu atangandi ntwa maito sintu tangandi.
Oda ni kwamba
Skuru ngo musora. Ngine ne kaunti. Naruku tucha kogenda.
Samalete nguruku Yunis Nyabuto. Na go kirekere twatanganire. Ntwamete go sento tangana. Na go gakera na kereta namba 2 na go kasana.
Samalete nguruku Elizabeth Keru. Na twara mugogo kereta namba Eyemo. Bandete sibiti na kagango kereta namba 2.
Nyarabuna sechi gosori echo niga solo ya 4x400 meters mixed relay abamurana basubati nege county ya Homa Bay yanyarite ko banamba 2 asechi imbere cyukurende asechi imbere cyo kimita 12 nige timu ya Homa Bay yanyarite ko bage kubwa chimbere cya story turi bagali ya bene ryo kwana no moro kyo munene bwe timu ye county ya Homa Bay makaine buna kengere na ndake na chengerete county ya Kolibuya mona mona asechimbere kiri chinyenge fata betoka bwate mibere menene mona mona chinsemo kiri cha Homa Bay ko bakonyere mona mona asechimbere chinyenge ndakiteto randa ke chimbere cyo enseme ya 200 meters nenkwana ye kengere.
Kupita Nyakundi Kengere coach ya Homa Bay County yene timu yetu ya athletics girls mixed relays. So we have taken portion 2, but remember we also took portion 1 in the 4x100 meters. So kwa hivyo wasichana wamejitahidi, the boys wamejaribu. Kumbuka Homa Bay imekuja juu katika hali ya athletics, sio vile ilikuwa kitambo. Otherwise nashukuru, it has been a very stiff competition, but we have tried. Short distance, you know, naturally short distance inahitaji watu wazito, and ukiona wale wanafunzi wetu ni wazito, ukiona Usain Bolt and Omanyara ni watu ambao wamechenga mizuri. So that is also one technique as a coach when you are training. Now the light ones is for the long races. Unajua napumua mara moja amemaliza. So that is one advantage which we have over the other, like over Kisii and Nyamira. We are promising nationals. We are likely to take it. I know there is a big challenge, especially in the long distance from the left part, but I know we will not miss number 2. If that is the worst, but we are sure we are to take it. Watu wa Mombasa, Nairobi, those what we are around.
My name is Lois. I'm from Alaro Primary School, and the race was good. It was a high competition. All the same, we tried, and we were planning to go to a national, but of course, God knows.
Togosoa se league ya Kisii County League nige timu ya Marani City FC kosora se league ya Kisii County League ya gosori bwango ige gosori yabo ya gatano na lima se league yeyo aseba ikoru ne timu ya Entanda FC chigolisa ta sebosa aseba nabagendete kwero beli bosibwe gosori yabo ya Jumapili aseba nyana kwa bakogenia timu ya KRK FC satere mabigete mero berie meikano kwana kibunanko bwa bare gosori yeyo
gosori twa bwatene ya sta mupira twagete Entanda torenge mo beno mupira twagete amuya lakini neri mechano mekemeke ntubu midi gari no twasari gitakeigo twanyorete ntukobungu chigori isatu lakini nentutu next ntubwata omoyanga ngobwatore chigori nonya saba gochibosi nego egosori tubwate next ritukoria Jumapili etubwate Marans versus KRK tubwate rango yogo chigoita KRK sigoli stabosa tuwa liganeti kwenye kubukora tole season tulipo vera kino twanyengete bino twanyengete ntumete ononyo mwana goibweru mapema ta konyara gutara lakini bono guikara nyago sukama tukamanya gochigotara bono tubule no monente ndochikobwa gochibosia ntobe nambe
anga sometimes players mbategete banyara nona match kwanya sometimes match tayo kwanya sometimes bakuruga bande Entanda karekana bachikocheza kwanya nga mono none fete baba baguchira okibakuruga babikaga ari Entanda barosire bagoyire bakwendegeti kwanya maybe bono because of very exhausted separa kwanya bagonya okarabia murucha bana bange ga bange kunya sole bange kunywa marua asengenjo mbabwa direction. So the only way we can just tap the talent and not the talents is just to go house to house and we look for those youths who are able to play football, who are able to do better in athletics, and who are better to do in music, so that we bring them on the platform so that they are able to engage themselves with their talents, so that from there they are able to defeat their minds from taking or engaging to drugs.
Chigokoro yo kabeire goalkeeper we timu ya Shabana FC myake mikono mkaire buna Dickson Akenga nigasokire na gusabe serikali ya county ya Kisii nensemeri ya babwata nikoro chisemo chiri chechibunge yanakwana kibunango siravare chigosori chiri chebinyoro rinde biyegwe binge binyari kubwatwa kobako na kunyara gusuka busyo
litangani abarayibi baituto bate kusiengema batwara amaroro yo gokonya abana gwitire emichesi ye igobone egento gyoka kirokilla tebege gotumisete bantu bagoika abana bangeti bayo lakini yale ko babiye buna bagambya batubwate bakabe musie tubwata bagambya bempie bale onechibesa jonze inkorora ngurwe gukire gari chimicheso bale uwanja bale te support ya basense ya muyema bana aba nabo tware konyoranga timukiri talent Gusii kwanza buna Gusii gebwate michezo kabisa eroneroro lakini bone gento getumisete abakubwata abana aba nabo bagutubura mugambito simbarate nere tikabike kibesa chigokonya ansemo yemichezo egere nanda fuatirie egera konya abana baitukuru asekila undi nsaiga asinye ncho abana bagwoke mipira nisabare nonyina abagwoka gitimu kinene nigabare lakini bone sita neringa kurusa na kukwabire sida nakigekogera bone ganate bangana bon ngenderete kurwanira abana lakini support yabura
inyanjire michezo sana wekena gyo mangana na mugusu atebira mugusu atemira ase area yonse bitote benonye Maran Sub County kurukare kunate barute sabana bunajete kuikana ndinajagete gitimu ura begira abantu babire buya utwako saba abantu ababanene batu abagambi una batewe mu county lebuna umbaji tonyore simbarati tonyore japeti babwatirane abana baitu bakonya
mbemo na yungati alina kwa ndikorwa semesa ye chigosori korende asomugano rero obwango mono sana nigo ngakie yamo yabwato bukendo bonge sana motene nkoyo munaro rore ngororo na kagutara akaroro mugakoyo mari isiko ye nyumba ya yembe use nyumba taro siribuya aikaraste embe kumwaka ekumutakuna tavegeti swenta tavegeti yangandito mwakuri mo tenenguri akamorora mabira ryamorora mabira akagenda akamuboli anda kasikutari kobekere swenta no bokendo obo akamotevi kerena bwati swenta kare nkobeka na ringe kunde boni gabuna ntari kobeka nchena analire kobeka ntari kobeka swenta lakini onyapore no nyabokendo kiborororo ntari kobeka kurendo motenenguri akamorora mabira sana esenje ne fatabwati ubokendo no bonge bwarenge motenenguri akamuyira akamotevi buna andaketi angende mwane ngene korore chiswente chimbwate kokoretera nde swenta indete batubwate chiswenta gochibosyo omonto lyo chandegeta akamutebi mbiya mono nje nonda iganganyete omotenengurire ndakagenda irinda chikwenda buoye amoretera chianga omotenengurire ikabwoye akagenda akieba amaitekerora motenengwe bintu nebingo gokora akagenda akieba koirana ne swenteri arwete ire somonto lyo chandegete konyara kobaga kobeka kerenyora mambia yo evire agachane gari aigwangu sana ne swenteri erinda nyare ko mugakuri konde keraikare sanyo to mugakuri akanyora taiyo ochikwenda ese nyumba yaye akanyora taiyo konde ria gonchu kana akanyora mugakuri ani nigasireti obugima bwaye isiko ye nyombeli mugakuri akayugobe sana uri orengo mutenengo konde ria gonya kuri ria so mugakuri arenga karra diskandi ro konyora alikiro mugakoyo nyagusira atigete maega rekade agachikosa maria aregote abuna ndake ekere na bwate chibesa cyo kugure swenta ngutwara na renge kurende kero butaka bwambwata na narete komenya ntabwati swenta na nanyorete chinguru cyo komenya ntabwati swenta kurende kero watita sobugima bwane no kanye ira buna kondete rore swenta yo natwale to gosemeria sore buna nondetere no gosemerio kukwane ukangura chinguru kiri na bwate chukurani kurwania mbeo na ekere kwanyoretu abuno obugima bwane ante ko bagingo bosire njo chinguru kiri cyane cyo kurwania obukendu nanyarite ko bagingo kisiro mwancho muri gokorwa eira nakibuna kwanyare kunyikira ni toru eira otanyare ko bagwo kunyikira no mwancho muri ngonyara kwera na semeria studio Vincent Onyancha atebina lira tigareti rwa SMS amangana maya
no mwana kero kwadira ngo mwana turege tamtamu maragoba ene kina kwa murege tamtamu ekyo nalia mangana bona ko nyara ko ba amaronga ndago tamuna terete tamtamu mangana na makongo mochu mulikiri bono Asingi nchiebiro ninkumanya mange chikora gachinze satochia bono botuko nabego ninkumanye egenteki ya goseke bigia kolkanste kumno chara kyobo cha nabo kyobo kumya ninkumanya karochia gire chinze satochia bono botuko enseme mtandao kandra gotobwati ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the digital nabego enseme ya YouTube nabego tena buna Ndizi TV News retana nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.